Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic, how to reset AutoCAD Plant 3D to defaults. Before we start, resetting ensure you save copies of any customized AutoCAD Plant 3D files before following this process. Reasons for AutoCAD Plant 3D user profile corruption, frequent crashes, regular force closures using Task Manager. To fix this, follow these steps. First, close all AutoCAD products running on your computer. Important: if you don't close all AutoCAD products and delete Registry, you may need to reinstall all related AutoCAD products linked to that specific registry key. Next, delete the following folders in Windows Explorer. Then, click the Windows Start button, search for Run, type REGEDIT and press Enter. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type REGEDIT and click OK. Navigate to the specified registry key path. Before deleting any registry key, ensure you selected the correct version. Go to the previously mentioned path in this video. Look for the version registry R24.3 in this case and expand it. Inside, you will find another registry key named ACAD-7117:409. Click on it, and on the right side, you will see details about which version the registry key belongs to. Once confirmed that it matches the version you want to reset, go back to the R24.3 key, press Delete on your keyboard, or right-click and select Delete. You have successfully deleted the registry. Now, restart AutoCAD Plant 3D. A progress bar will appear, indicating that the secondary installer is running. All deleted files and the registry key will be recreated. Caution: editing the Windows registry incorrectly can make your operating system unusable. Use the Microsoft Registry Editor at your own risk and only after backing up the registry. Tip of the day: slow performance in AutoCAD Plant. 3D can also indicate a corrupted profile. That's all for today's episode.